Lacrosse has opened up so many opportunities for myself that, being able to grow this game and leave it better than I found it is obviously really important to me. And, if one kid is inspired to pick up a lacrosse stick from coming to these schools, then I feel like it's worth it.
For Inspira, a big part of investing in our community means meeting people where they're at. For us, that's getting involved with the community at every level that they'll let us. And our relationship with the Wings has meant we can provide access to thinking about being an athlete, being active, and also what leads up to being a good athlete.
I grew up in a little town in Ontario, so lacrosse is a pretty big hot spot for where it is, especially box lacrosse. But being able to go out to schools and grow the game and see kids actually picking it up and starting and seeing more and more teams come about, it's great. It's a very rewarding feeling.
I love talking to the kids afterwards as they're saying, one kid said, "I was born at Inspira," or "I had stitches and I went to Inspira to get my stitches done." So just that idea that we're connecting with the community at the places that they are already at is a great opportunity to bring real community benefit.